welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. G7 boycott cabinet meeting. Say will not support finance bill if Churchill and Mervyn fail to apologize. CM puts ball in High Command's court. JMFC gives 7 days remand to the remaining 4 policemen in police drug mafia nexus case. Opposition leader demands CBI inquiry. Aam Aadmi speak about his simple expectations from budget. Drop in food and fuel prices top the list. And crucial I-League showdown on Saturday as Dempo Sports Club clash with defending champions Churchill Brothers at Nehru Stadium. Now the news in detail. G7 will not support finance bill in the upcoming assembly session if Churchill and Mervyn fail to apologize for their comments on G7. The group today boycotted special cabinet meeting. Churchill and Mervyn have refused to apologize. BJP has demanded elections in the wake of these political developments. CM has put the ball in High Command's court.
The deadline given to the Chief Minister by G7 got over on Friday morning. The group met at Babush Montserrat's Miramar bungalow and later addressed a press conference at Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar's official residence at Altino. Sudhin Dhavlikar spoke on the behalf of G7. He threatened non-cooperation of the finance bill if Churchill and Mervyn failed to apologize.
आजची जी कॅबिनेट मीटिंग आशिल्ली ती आमी सगळ्यांनी थंय वचनासतना आमी रावले आणि त्याच बरोबर फुडल्या 1-2 दिसांत जर काही निर्णय तांणी घेतले ना जाल्यार वेळ पडली जाल्यार जे फायनान्स बिल जे मांडले ताका आमी सपोर्ट करचे ना.
Chief Minister has maintained that the budget session will go smoothly. CM also informed that the High Command of both the parties will sort out the issue.
Whatever they had communicated to me yesterday, day before yesterday, I have communicated it to my High Command, and I am confident that the matter will be resolved at the level of the leaders of both the parties. No, do you feel any way, by any way, Chief Minister is nervous, Chief Minister is tense, or Chief Minister is worried about passing?
But Churchill has refused to apologize.
Hello. Demand koi dara de re, am I kodrata. Okay. Demand koi dara de, am I kodrata.
आयज परत ताणें डिमांड केला 2 दिसांची
दीत रावचे रे हांव आयकत रावता
कितें म्हणटा आतां प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जाली.
Mervyn is right now in Delhi. He has said he only expressed sentiments of CLP and demanding apology from him is like demanding apology from the CLP.
They have to come and first explain to me what is the wrong statement I have made and what is that they want an apology for. I don't even know what they are talking about.
Today they said that you have to apologize or otherwise they will not support the financial bill on the floor of the house.
That is up to the Chief Minister with the leader of the house to take a call. I don't want to comment on that, what they are going to do and what they are capable of doing. Followed, no?
Yeah.
The question of my apology does not arise because I was simply conveying the sentiments expressed at the CLP meeting, which I am authorized to do as a spokesman of the Congress party. So it is like asking an apology of the entire CLP.
Acting President of NCP Karmu Pegad was present for the G7 press conference. But his party colleague and NCP National Secretary Jitendra Deshprabhu has rubbished the possibility of NCP withdrawing support in any case.
ना म्हाका हेचेर कल्पना ना की हायकमांड अशे एखाद्यान केल्लेले वैयक्तीक जे उच्चारण आसा किंवा आपले वैयक्तीक विचार मांडपाचो जर एखाद्या कोएलिशन पार्टनरांतल्या एखाद्या मंत्र्यान जर केलो आसा तर तो वैयक्तीक तेचो हो आसा. एनसीपी ताका कसलीच किंमत दिना. म्हणजे हांव तर अशें म्हणटा की काँग्रेस पक्षांत ज्या व्यक्तींनी असो एक पवित्रो घेतला आपल्या स्वताच्या हिमतीचेर एका वानरान केल्लें वक्तव्य अशें हांव मानतां.
NCP High Command seems to be in a consolidation mood. Prakash Binsale is hopeful that CM will sort out the crisis.
प्रश्न असा आहे की काही इश्यूज जे होते ते इश्यूज सिरियसली घ्या म्हणून आम्ही सारखे मुख्यमंत्र्यांना विनंती करतो. सारे मंत्री ते मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडे त्या ठिकाणी गेले होते. त्यांनी आपली भावना त्या ठिकाणी व्यक्त केली. त्यावरती निर्णय घेण्याचं काम मुख्यमंत्र्यांचं आहे. जी काही सिच्युएशन अराईज झाली आहे ती सिच्युएशन जर नॉर्मलाइज करायची असेल किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये विश्वासाचं वातावरण निर्माण करायचं असेल तर त्यामध्ये मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी लीड घ्यायला पाहिजे एक कुटुंब प्रमुख म्हणून.
समजा जर त्यांनी तसा निर्णय घेतला नाही सरकारनं आणि तुमच्या मंत्र्यांनी जर त्यांना विरोध केलाय तर सरकार पडण्याचे चान्सेस आहेत.
असं आहे की आम्हाला अजूनही आशा आहे की याबाबत योग्य तो पावलं ही काँग्रेसच्या वतीनं आणि मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या वतीनं उचलली जातील.
नाही, एनसीपीचे इथले मंत्री आहेत ना त्यांनी अशी स्टेटमेंट केलेले प्रेस जवळ की 2 दिवसाने काय तर सरकारने निर्णय घ्यावा नाहीतर आम्हाला काय पाहिजे ते करू.
त्यांनी त्यांची भावना व्यक्त केलेली आहे. हो आपण काय होतं ते
आणि तसं जर घडलं तर
राजकारणामध्ये जर तरची उत्तरं असतात ना. ज्या वेळेला जी परिस्थिती निर्माण होते त्या वेळेला निर्णय राजकीय पक्षांना घ्यावे लागतात. योग्य वेळी योग्य निर्णय घेतला जाईल.
Opposition has termed this situation as a pressure tactic of G7. He also said that BJP is ready for the midterm polls.
Reading about the full situation, it is only pressurization tactic by one over other to snatch out maximum benefits or maximum leeway or space. That is what I am reading from it. You are reading as if government is going. I am not reading as if government is going. That is why we have decided that while we prepare ourselves for elections, we will see what happens actually.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ganesh Otkar and Anil Sanadi from Panji for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.